Many years ago, especially when I was born, mothers did not have the options that they have today. I was bottle fed, but today, not everybody is bottle fed. Many people are breastfeeding, and they need to have a facility where they can pump the milk privately in a very comfortable area. I'll show you the interior, which has a lovely, clean location. It has lighting, it has air conditioning, it's comfortable, and it's private. I wanted to be able to provide mothers with an option. They go around, they're working, or they're on the go, they're with their children, or they're not, and they really need a place to go and be able to have that security and that privacy. So as chair of the Morris County Budget Committee, I went to administration. I said, can we do this? Can we find the money? And we actually found money from the federal ARPA funds, and we were able to put 4 locations in the county, spread around the county. One is here at the Morris County Library on East Hanover. Another is at the Morris County Administration and Records Building in Morristown. We have another at the Office of Temporary Assistance. And the 4th one is at the Central Avenue Complex on Medical Drive in Parsippany.